Hi guys, it's Mommy Tang. What's up, Tang Gang? Hi guys, I'm back. Yeah, so fast, right? So quick. Mommy Tang, like I thought you could be gone for another month or so. Yeah, okay. Guys, remember I told you I was in the slump? It's so hard to get yourself back up, I think. Like, are you guys in the same funk? Some of you guys are in the same funk. Like, I've been in this like funk, hitting the bottom, I guess, for a pretty long time now. I mean, what is hitting the bump? The bump? The low, I guess. I guess it's like when you know you could do better, but you can't physically or mentally. You're like, just like, whatever it is. It could be anything. It could be like, you want to go back to studying, you could go on a diet, you want to go, dating, you want to like, I don't know, maybe you want to exercise, whatever it is that you want to do, but you can't do it, like, and you have so much desire to do it, but you just can't do it. I guess that's a funk, Yeah. I feel you. I hear you. And my advice for that, I think, is just, we've been hearing this all along from Nikes. Just do it. Just do it, I guess. What do you mean just do it? Just do it. Whatever it is that you need to do, just do it, If you're not doing anything, at least do one thing per day. And if you're doing already 3 things, but you need to add like another thing, just do it. Just add another thing, I guess that's it. I don't know. And my goal is to become more regular for you guys because, like I said, I have a lot of recipes to share with you. And that's why I'm here. I guess a lot of people are like, ooh, we like your story time. Ooh, Mommy Tang, we like watching your kids. Ooh, Mommy Tang. What else is there? What else have I heard? I don't know because I can't see the comments, but obviously. What else is there? Yeah, Mommy Tang. I think that's about it. I don't know. Mommy Tang. This quarantine is killing me. I'm too afraid to go out. I'm not allowed to go out. I can't go out. I have no money. Whatever it is. Mommy Tang, all I have is just a little bit of cold rice, leftover rice, and this garlic. What am I going to do with garlic and rice? What am I going to do? Please help. Well, Mommy Tang to the rescue. Guys, I'm going to show you guys real simple recipes. That's what I'm all about, I guess, But I was actually okay, let me just put this aside. I was actually thinking the other day, right? Like, what do I need to cook all my recipes? The ingredients, the staple sauce, the condiments, I guess. And you know what? It wasn't even that much. It was just a full of basket. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so heavy. This is pretty much all you need to cook my recipe. I think I could make literally like 50 or even 60 recipes just using these sauces here. It's not much, okay? Should I go through them with you today or should I take this another day? Yeah, let's just go through it today really quick. We have this Korean soy paste. I got this at Wegman and it was like $2.99. You could get this online, H Mart or Amazon. Bean paste, Korean bean paste. We have gochujang. It's Korean pepper paste, okay? So those are the paste that you need. So Korean. Let me see, what else Korean do you need? I would say like some sort of food essence, since we're cooking a lot of soups and stuff like that. It would be nice to have mushroom seasoning or, some sort of thing. I have found this Yeondu. This is very good product. Probably something that you want to look into. It's organic. The Korean version of it is not, but the American version is, yes, indeed organic, and it's vegan. And this brings out a lot of flavor. If you can't find that, obviously, Amazon, like I said, you could find these. I've talked about these many, many times before. It's mushroom seasoning. A lot of the Vietnamese people use it because I think for the religion purpose. My grammar sucks. Anyways, yeah, because when they eat pho or something like that, they need to make it vegan or vegetarian. They use this, and it's not that expensive. It lasts you for almost a year. So something like that. And then let's see. And then if you want to, like this is like ketchup, I guess, for all Asians or anybody. For Americans, I guess. I don't know. Sriracha sauce. Goes along with a lot of vegan stuff. Now, sesame seeds. Yeah, actually, sesame seeds, right? Protein. This is also, you could get it anywhere, I guess. But, if you go to Korean market, it's a lot cheaper. So you want to get that. Look into it. Look into that. And then soy sauce. Do I need to go through this soy sauce? I have olive oil, avocado oil, and then sesame oil. You could get this anywhere. And salt and garlic powder. If you have this, and black pepper. Any black pepper. If you have that, seriously, you could pretty much cook all my recipes using rice, flour, greens and potatoes and whatnot, so look into that. Maybe I'll do a little detail on this some other day, but for now, let's put this all back. Gosh, I had this all organized and now I don't even know what's going on. Anyways, okay, so I have some peeled garlic here for you, right? And let me see. You want to get these little stem off, these little. What do you call this? The butt? The end of the garlic, I guess? The unwanted part of the garlic? How much garlic do you use, Mommy Tang? Whatever you like. Okay, use as much as you like. In my opinion, because this garlic is only rice and garlic, if you're going to put 2 garlic, it's just going to be rice. A little bit of garlic. This is that dish, an Italian dish is called aglio and olio, Aglio is called garlic, and I think olio is oil, garlic and oil pasta. And they're good, nothing but just olive oil and pasta and garlic. This is what this is, except it's in rice, Some of you might be saying, why couldn't I think of that? I'm not sure. Some famous Korean chef also did this on YouTube, but a lot of Koreans, I guess, I don't know. Do a lot of Koreans eat this? Not sure, but I do. My kids like it too. Okay. Be all organized. Put this away. Now what we're going to do, we're going to slice them. Okay. Very, very thinly, I guess. I actually have a little method to cut this. Do you see what I'm doing? I cut 2, and then I flip it over, and then I cut, and then I flip it over again. I don't know if this is a good method, but it is what it is, okay? That's right. I could cut without looking at it. See? Smell of the garlic. Obviously, if you hate garlic, you would hate this recipe. But if you love garlic, you love this recipe. Mommy Tang, there's a lot of garlic right there. I know. My mom the other day was looking at me and she's like, why are you slouch on your video? I'm like, Mom, do you realize I'm cooking like this? Usually your table setting, it should be under your a little bit above your belly button, right here, I'm cooking right in front of my nose for you guys. And she's just like, don't slouch. She always finds, my mom always finds little things that I can't see. Oh, I need to itch my eye. What do I do? Oh, I can't touch. Oh, thank goodness chopstick was around. I almost died there. Look how much garlic. Oh my goodness. Hello, boo. Boo boo.
Yeah.
Are you doing that because your pants don't match your top?
What?
Did you just crawled into my mukbang room because your pants didn't match your top?
No, it's because it's pink.
What do you mean? It's pink. You don't like pink?
No.
Why not? I love pink.
I don't really like it.
Black pink in your area. So you chop them up, okay? And then, excuse me. Excuse-moi. Where's my rice? Rice. Rice and garlic. That's it. Oh, very, very, very garlicky. Ooh. Okay, let's get cooking. Hi, Vanilla. Really? There's not much to it, okay? Now, I'm using obviously, cast iron skillet, so it needs to heat up a little bit. But if you're using regular fry pan, then you want to use not high heat, but medium low heat. Medium high heat. Yeah. I'm going to use avocado oil. That's a lot of oil, Mommy Tang. That's right. All right, and then you're going to put garlic. The garlic that we chopped, remember? And then you're going to fry your garlic. Yes, fry them. Now, if you do this on high heat, you're going to ruin the dish. Because if you burn it, you're going to be eating rice with burnt garlic. You want to toast them. You do know the difference between burning them and toasting them, right, everyone? I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing. Really? Really? Where are you? Are you playing hide and seek? Really? What in the what? Hi, Vanilla. Hello. I can't touch you because I'm cooking. I know. Do you see that's like a little bit browning? When you see a little bit of brown pieces, that you want to put the heat lower, actually. Yeah, because if you burn it, like I said, you're going to ruin it. This is one of those dishes that takes time and patience, You could think about your funk. Why you're in the funk, I guess. God, you guys need to get out of the funk, okay? Let's all get out of the funk. Every day is another day. Just get up. I know how that feels to be in bed. Do everything in bed. Oh my goodness. I had those days, guys. And you see those people like doing things for themselves, doing all these great things, and you're just in bed, kind of depressed. It happened to some people. But you could get out of it. Yeah. It's just a matter of doing it, I guess. One baby step at a time. Okay, so you're gonna cook your garlic till they're cooked, okay? Because if you don't cook them all the way, they're gonna be bitter. You don't want bitter garlic fried rice, do you? Obviously not. A little bit of brown here and there is good. You see how a little bit of brown, but it's still white. You want to cook them till they're like a little bit more colored, yellow or, You could tell when the garlic is cooked, can't you? I could. Now at this point, you're going to try one of the garlic and see if it's good. It's good. A little bit more. Just a little bit more. And at this point, you're going to add your rice. That's right. Your rice. Your cold rice. 1, 2. Mommy thinks that's a lot of rice. I know. Oh, And you're just gonna fry your rice with, never waste, with garlic. That's it, pretty much. Let's see, I think I need 2 spatula to do this. That's right. This term in Korean is called 비벼. Oh, you want to lower your heat, obviously. You could even turn it off. But for the ASMR purpose, let's keep it on. Sounds nice, isn't it? Let me take those. Does this even taste good? Yes, it tastes good. Make sure you get the bottom, you know, so nothing burning. Believe it or not, that's it. Really, Mommy Tang? Of course not. Crazy. Some salt. And some black pepper. If that's all you have, this is it. That's it. If that's all you have, what can you do? Just eat like that. Let's try it. The salt, garlic, and the pepper. Now, Mommy Tang, what if I want to flavor this up a little bit? You put some soy sauce. Okay, everybody has soy sauce in the house, don't we? No? You like to cook Asian food but don't have soy sauce? Girlfriend, you need to go and get some, alright? Some little bit of soy sauce, not too much, just a little bit, little bit. Soy sauce brings a little color, you know, to the dish, I guess. Oh. Are we done, Mommy Tang? Of course not. You guys don't know me by now? Always sesame seeds. A lot of it. Like I said, you know, just garlic and rice and salt and pepper does the trick, and oil, I guess. But, you know, if you want to go a little fancy dancy, you could just put a little bit of that. Let's try this. Believe it or not, this is amazing. That's it. That's it. I'm gonna eat now. I was watching High Carb Hannah. Do you guys know her? I think she's like my only online friend. Well, one up. You up. I don't have that many friends, online friends. But anyways, she's doing this challenge called, I think, Eat Your Veggie Challenge or something like that. I think it's called. Let me see. Let me check. High Carb Hannah. Oh, she just came right up. It's all meant to be. Wait. Eat Your Veg Challenge. Eat Your Veg Challenge. I don't know. I saw it from High Carb Hannah. It could be from somebody else. I don't know. Somebody might have started it, but I love her feed. I love watching her. She's my friend. She's a sweetheart. Here, follow her. Go and follow her. She's on YouTube and Instagram. I'm sure you guys know her. Okay. So I'm going to eat my veggies. I love my kimchi. My water. Guys, I got this at some sort of like vegan festival. Gangster Vegan Organics. I don't know, the drinks were in here. I finished it, but I never trashed the bottle because look how cute this is. Like, look how cute this bottle is. Seriously. What is that, Mommy Tang? It's chicory, like healthy kind of drink, no caffeine. Whatever. Am I sponsored by this? No. I just eat it because I like it. When I get addicted to something, I get addicted to it, you know? Oh, so refreshing. Mm. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I don't know what it is. I got all ready, all prepared. And what it is, Peppy's missing. My kids are missing. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. Put kimchi on top of it. Oh. This is like white kimchi, you know? It's supposed to be red, but... Oh, oh. Ah. That did not go well. Let's eat your greens, guys. Just put it in there. Stuff it in there. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I wish this kimchi was a little bit more spicier, but I don't know, I like it. It's easy to get, it's cheap, you know? I'm gonna try it with this sesame leaf. This is like the Korean herbs. Like the Vietnamese have, I guess, like the basil. You know, like let's say Italians have parsley, I guess. Mexicans have what? Cilantro. Koreans have the sesame leaf. Good. Oh. Yeah, you have to get a chair or something, you know? You're just gonna sit there?
Yes.
You know, you have to get your own spoon right there.
Yeah.
We gotta finish this kimchi really soon. So
Kimchi?
we've been picking on it, like double dipping it. Kind of gross.
We?
Yeah. What do you think?
Good.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't it a lot better than what I made it for you like last time?
They're more bland.
This is more bland.
Mm-hmm.
But that's why
Why?
you need kimchi. Here. Ah. Come and get it. Come and get it. Come. Oh. Smart. So, when you use chopstick, right? Do you ever like do this? Like, what? Okay. What's my chopstick? Okay. Do you ever do this? Look at my chopstick. Like that? Or do you always put it down on the table?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? I think the lazy Koreans do that. They don't put it down, but they kind of like do this. And you go like this.
I put it down. You're wrapping it?
Wow.
Gee. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Didn't I tell you? I said, hey, you want to be in my mukbang? And you said, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And I said, well, you got to think of a topic to talk about.
Mm-hmm.
Remember I said that? You're eating this food. You're in my mukbang. So give me the topic.
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Well, I was talking to my friends online about get yourself getting out of the funk, right? Do you ever fall like in a funk? You don't even know do you even know what that means?
No.
I guess you're too young to know what that is.
Maybe you're too old.
You know how sometimes like you see me really down, right? Yeah, that's being in the funk, you know. Unfortunately, I wish I could just show you all bubbly and happy me all the time and like so optimistic and pessimistic, optimistic, me. But I am human being. Your mother is a human being. And I do go through ups and downs in life. And you've been there all along with me. So I told them, right, Kayla? The secret to getting out, the secret to get yourself out of the funk, right? Would you like to sit properly? Would you like to sit here? Here, sit on my, oh my god, there's vanilla right there. I told them to get yourself out of the funk. There's only one thing to do. You want to hear it?
Be younger.
What? I told them, just do it. Whatever it is that you need to do, just do it. What do you think? Is it good advice?
Kind of.
Kayla, if you have this kind of attitude towards my viewers, you cannot be my mukbang because you'll be voted as the boringest mukbanger alive.
Boringest isn't a word.
It's not?
I don't think so.
No, what do you say it? What?
Most boring?
Most boring? Wait.
Is boring is the word?
Most boring mukbanger online. Oh, that's it, right?
Switching that up.
There's so many ASMR people that eat online, right? And they don't do talking. They just eat. They just eat.
They're not eating, they're inhaling.
Wait, whatever. But they don't talk. They don't have any topic to talk about, right? But with me, when I try to do that more than 30 seconds, it becomes so awkward. You want to see it?
Okay.
No talking, just eating for like more than 30 seconds. It becomes so awkward, okay? Watch, okay?
You seem like you're enjoying yourself. You're like...
When I was in middle school, right, Kayla? Like your age, right?
How long ago was that?
I used to be known as a Hmong girl. You know what Hmong girl is?
No.
So in Korea, right? In Korean, when you Hmong 때려 means like you have no purpose in anything, but you just kind of stare at something with no purpose. You're not even thinking. You're not doing anything. You're like this. What do you call that in English? When you're like looking like, oh, spaced out. That's what, you know how when you're spaced out? It's called Hmong in Korean, right? I was notorious for that. And I especially did that when I eat. Like, I'll be eating with my friends, and I used to do that, and my friends used to get so annoyed. But for some reason, I used to actually enjoy doing that. I enjoy being Hmong.
That happens to me sometimes in lunch.
You do?
Like,
It happens? You
Kayla,
must
I'll
get
be
it
like-
from me.
I'm like staring at
Wait,
a wall.
let's do it. You and me, pretend like we're friends, right? We're sitting in the cafeteria. Let's do Hmong together, okay? Ready? So you gotta start doing Hmong after you put the food in your mouth. Like you kind of like you're busy like this, and then after you ready? You can't be laughing when you're doing Hmong. Ready?
Yeah, but
you can't be laughing.
But you do it without realizing. That's the whole point.
Alright, just pretend. Go. You fail because you laugh. You can't be laughing when you're Hmonging. We didn't even call Pepita. She might be mad. Do you think we should call her now?
She's like, Roblox.
Should we call her?
Roblox.
Pepita!
She's a speed racer. She'd be like, the storm of Peppy. This was called.
You gotta eat your veg. There's something called Eat Veg Challenge going on for vegans right now. Eat your veg challenge. Do you remember High Carb Hannah? We met High Carb Hannah. I think she started it with a few of her social media friends. We should support her, you know? Eat your veg.
You should support her.
How many of us said that I slouch? She said I should stand like this. Like, why are you slouch?
Korean grandmas are always like that. They're like,
What?
Like,
Listen, you're very blessed to have a mom like me, because I hardly give you nag about anything that you do. I kind of let you be free. That's my parenting. Like, be yourself, you know? Unless you do something stupid. No, I don't really stop you from doing anything, right? I don't let you do it, you know? As long as you get good grades and you don't like, you're not mean to anyone. You're not super dirty or anything. But what was the whole story? Oh my god, I feel like I have Alzheimer's sometimes, because sometimes I talk and I forget what I was talking about. What was I talking about?
because you talk and then you bring up another story from your story, and that story gets another story.
I know. So what was I saying?
I don't remember.
Remember, this is important to me now. I can't remember now. What was I talking about?
Mung?
After Mong.
The vegetable thing with high carb Hannah?
And then I said something.
What was slouching?
Oh, slouching. Yeah, but what's the whole point? Oh, yeah, slouching. Slouching, yeah. So, wait, what was my point?
You're like, you're so...
Oh, wait. Yeah, how grandma used to correct me for everything I do. Like, I don't do that to you, but, right, Hami?
Yeah.
Man. When it comes to beauty, she corrected me like there was night and day. She was like, your back is slouchy. And, like, she would say, like, and then Happy sometimes would say, like, your makeup is too strong. Hami would say, like, why was your hair down today? Or your earring is too big. Like, they're not criticizing you, but they're correcting you. There's difference. Like, they're not saying to make you put you down, but they're saying so you improve. Like, what do you call that? An advice?
I guess.
Yeah. How many was this? Oh. When I was younger,
Kids
like
would
your
call that
age, right?
nagging.
Yeah, but I didn't really, well, I guess. But when I was your age, Hami used to always say how, like, I was too skinny, because I was skinny and I was small. Why are you laughing to that? I was. Believe it or not, I was. But anyways, like, I was skinny, so she Hubby would just stop. I was for real. And then Hubby used to say, like, eat more. Like, you're too skinny, right? But finally, like, and I used to, like, but I thought I was chubby, because I always had the weight problem, right? So I always said, like, but mom, I feel so fat. And she's like, no, you're perfect. And Happy, like, my dad used to be like, no, you're fine. You're whatever, right? Nowadays, Happy's like, you're fat. She told me the other day, she's like, what happened to you? And I was like, what happened to me? And she's like, oh, would you like to eat together?
No.
Papi would have done it. Here, I'm gonna give you a small one for that. Oh, you know what? Really, mukbang, this is what you have to do. If you eat it like this, it's not good like this. Mm-hmm.
It's not a noodle. It's kimchi.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Now, for real though, isn't this dish really good, considering there's nothing but garlic and rice? Would you eat this again? We eat it all the time, but would you eat it again? And you think you can
Just
get
think
away
back.
with it? What?
Cut my neck off.
What?
Dare you?
Yeah. Why are you so aggressive?
Want to say something funny from my Netflix show?
What? I don't know why, but I can't eat the stump of this. What?
The stump? Oh my. I've watched so many Korean dramas.
Oh, what's your
No,
favorite
okay.
Korean drama?
I don't have one. I've watched like over 50 to be honest.
Kayla. You want the last bite? So you want the last bite? Or should I have it?
You can have it. I watched
Me have it?
all of these Korean dramas and
What?
plus more on the other
Netflix?
app. Yeah. I watch almost every one. I think
What was your like favorite so far?
my favorite so far.
Yeah. Let's see what kind of a drama girl you are.
Well, they all have like different things.
My ultimate favorite drama is 사극. You know what 사극 is?
No, I think My Hello Lover because this is my first life. Or Abyss. Oh my, this actor.
No, I can't wait for Mama. 먹방 끝났사옵나이다. That was a very boring mukbang.
Do you know? You know when I'm crying? Like I sobbed from.
Hmm?
I started sobbing, and this one, Hi Bye Mama, on Netflix.
I don't like that really.
Sobbing.
I
Should
don't
we tell
like
the story?
dramas that where you could like know the ending already.
We were shopping in H Mart, and then there was like this, what was it, like tea thing,
There's a coffee.
coffee thing, and the actor was on there.
You didn't recognize it till you saw her teeth, right? You're like,
Because watching the
That must
show,
be
we would always like see her teeth, and they were always so full and white. And like I was like looking, I was like, is that her face? And I saw the teeth. I was like, yep, it's her.